video. Obviously, after this video, many people will dance, I'm sure. And bringing in our next very young guest, and she is another art form which is very important. So let me tell you more about her. So our next guest is a graduate in streams of arts. She feels proud to be called as ex-Andrian. She is a diploma holder in HR from NMIMS and currently pursuing her master's in psychology. And she's very fun-loving. She's very creative, and the best part is that she is a makeup content creator. Yes, makeup content creator. So she basically develops content a lot online for makeup. It could be a tutorial, it could be simple tips, and she is so young and full of energy. So we thought, let us bring in another art form in terms of our next guest. So all of you, please put your hearts together for Jaspreet Janice Bedi. If I am pronouncing the long name correctly, please welcome.
Hi.
Hi, Jaspreet.
Hi. Hello.
Hi. So before
How
we
are you?
begin, we'd
Yes.
like to welcome you, and we want to ask you why Jaspreet Janice Bedi, and how would you like us to address you?
Yes.
Okay, so my dad was a Sardar and my mom was a Catholic. So I was baptized and my name was Janice in my mom's family. So I prefer being called Janice than Jaspreet. So I just like to put those two names together.
Okay, no problem. We'll call you Janice then.
Yes, no issues.
If that's how you like it.
Yes.
So before, obviously I have given you a very nice introduction, if you would have seen. So, we call that beauty is everywhere. We were earlier talking about dancing in our show, and now we are talking about beauty and makeup. And I'm sure our conversation will involve a lot of skincare routine and so many things which you are ready to talk about. But before that,
Yes.
What is beauty for you? How do you define beauty?
Okay,
Being,
so
Yes.
basically, whenever you meet someone, the first thing you notice is the way they express themselves or the way they speak to you, or the way
Yes.
they have groomed themselves. That's all beauty in it together. It's not just about looks and what you're doing and everything. It's the way you behave, the way you talk, the way you have a conversation with the person. So I think that is what beauty is for me. It involves everything together.
So deep, Deepa.
Yeah.
Expecting this answer from a young kid, I'll say, like her, is so incredible that the way you find being beautiful. It's so true that you meet a person, and true beauty might not be just the looks. It's the way you talk and the way you present yourself to the other person. I'm impressed.
Anupam, taking
Yes,
it from
yes.
there, beauty is not about looking beautiful, Janice. Before I move on to the next question, since you're a makeup expert, I'm talking on a public platform. Is my makeup all right for today?
Yes, it's pretty good.
Thank
Pretty
you.
good. I like what
Sorry.
you've done on your eyes.
Thank you so much. Sorry, Anupam, for this. This is not called
No
for.
problem. I'm used to it by now.
That's not an issue.
Thanks. It feels so nice to see young people and talking about not only external beauty yet internal beauty.
Yes.
So Janice,
very true.
everybody says, of course, the makeup obviously changes the way you look, yet the glow comes from within. So I'd like
Yeah.
to ask you, how important is a good diet for a glowing skin and healthy hair?
Okay, so it is very, very important because if you're having less of water, if you're having a lot of junk and eating rubbish you're not supposed to eat, you'll start breaking out, you'll start having acne on your face, your skin, the glow goes away, the natural glow goes away. So I think it is very important that you have a lot of water. That is one of the main things for a glowing skin. And also eat right. And if I have my non-vegetarian friends here, fish is the best food for a glowing skin, because that's what my mom used to tell me. I have glowing skin because I eat a lot of fish. So I think that's good. And then you have a lot of healthy options to eat. You should avoid junk because they get breakouts. Because of that you get breakouts. You're prone to a lot of acne and pimples. So just water is the main. That's what I feel. Drinking a lot of water is really main.
So it's important to keep yourself hydrated. That's
Yes,
where it all
very.
begins.
Yes, if you keep yourself hydrated, your skin will be hydrated. So I think that's good. The water is like the main thing for me.
Super.
And one more thing to notice, that the moment Janice has come on screen, our comment section is bombarding. So Janice, you have a lot of friends watching here. We have
Yes,
Pritika, we have Christy, we have Harshad Bhatt for Reiki, we have Forum Shah, we have Harbinder Singh Bedi, we have Parmesh, Shiv Prakashan Nair, and Pranav Nair. So many people are commenting, and it's going on and on. And so a lot of love is coming basically to you.
yes. Thank you.
I want to tell you before we move ahead in our chat. So also, very important thing that, a lot of people, obviously as a platform, us also, we are also talking a lot about going organic, because we see that we have discovered that, India has been a country where Ayurveda was taken as a huge thing. And, many times people, when you meet someone who is from that era, and, they say ki hamare zamane mein to, you never used to use these makeups and all.
Yes.
It's all natural, homemade tips, and put basin, put whatever, all those organic things. A lot of people still talk about it, that Ayurveda is the way. So how
Yes.
you are yourself a makeup artist, and how do you take how do you define this, the adopting the organic format, or adopting the Ayurveda way of living? How do you take it?
Okay, so what I feel is like this is a really very good thing that we are involving a lot of natural elements to taking care of your skin. But if you want to practice this, there are certain brands that have come up with products that are organic, or cruelty free or vegan, and most of them are all you have for your skin, for face mask, you have all fruit based ones, you have aloe vera based ones. So you can scroll through the internet and search for particular brands who are into all this, like natural home and remedies and everything, all that. So because it was not so good before, but right now from the past 2 years or something, it is suddenly like a very big thing for a lot of people. Like, no, we prefer going organic, prefer using organic things for our face, because natural for the face is always good. So I think you should try those brands and throw away all your old brands, I think, because they are really helpful to your skin.
Yeah, so basically, whenever we are buying a product, we have to look into it, that is it chemical free, is it sulfate free,
Yes.
is it all those
Yes.
artificial, and we have
Yes,
to look
yes,
for
artificial.
organic brands. Yeah,
Yes,
also
yes, very
I've
true, very
heard,
true.
I'm not too sure, but I've heard, maybe Deepa and Janice will help me, that people usually these days, even in the makeup thing also, people are using very natural products. People are not preferring, the young generation is not preferring much of chemical oriented thing to your hair, to your skin and all. So
Yes,
I
yes.
think natural, maybe the future Ayurveda will become a big thing worldwide. It is still
yes.
a big
It's
thing worldwide.
already very
but-
popular, yeah. Already
Yes,
yes,
organic.
very.
Anyways,
So it's
very,
suddenly
very popular.
become very popular, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
People
Yeah.
are understanding the importance of using
Exactly.
organic products. Yeah. So
Exactly.
Janice, you are a content creator. You create content on makeup. You do so many makeup tutorials. 3 tips that you can give us on makeup. 3 tips
Okay,
that you can so like we're talking about the base, how you do the base,
Yes.
how you do your eyes, some tips on basic makeup.
Yes, sure. So, what is most important in makeup is that you hydrate and moisturize your skin very well before you apply anything on your face, because if you don't do that, again you will tend to have those boils on your face and rashes on your face, and it completely spoils the look whatever you're going for. So what I do personally is I have 3 steps. Okay, so first I use a toner to tone my face and my neck. Then I use a sunblock cream. Like, even though you're indoors, sunblock is very essential because it keeps your skin very hydrated. And once that dries off, then I use a moisturizer and apply a lot of it. So this is like the perfect, before makeup you can start the skin prep, which is very compulsory and very good, because if you don't follow this and directly jump into your makeup, you're going to find out that you're ending up having boils, and you're like, Arey, I'm not going to do makeup, I get boils with that and all that. But nobody understands the importance of skincare or the skin hydrating before makeup. So I think that is really essential, because if you don't do that, then it's of no use of putting makeup on your face.
Right.
And
Okay,
then
so
if you,
Yet when Janice, before you can give us a few more tips, I'd like to ask you. Right now we're at home. We have the time
Yes.
to basically prep our skin before makeup.
Yes.
Yet when we are in that crazy rush and office hours and the peak hours of morning, is there a way you can quickly do it without giving it too much time and yet
Yes.
getting the proper products for your skin?
Yes, it is. There's a small, like a 10-minute routine sometimes I do. Basically, first is moisturizer, like I've told you, or moisturizing your skin. And there is a product, it's called a BB cream, right? You find like thousands of BB creams, and it's like a, for a foundation, but not exactly foundation. It gives you a foundation finish, or that tint of shade you need on your face. So what do you? You just apply that. You just set it with a compact powder and a lipstick and eyeliner, and you're good to go. That's like 10 minutes. Doesn't even take 10 minutes of your time. That's like a quick tip. Just like a BB cream, setting powder or compact powder, and an eyeliner and lipstick, and you're good to go. That's it. Like a
Okay,
very quick.
I need to barge in here since a lot of makeup talks are happening between two girls. So I have Mr. Bedi who has revealed that Janice actually helps him to look younger. I want to know, Janice, how. Mr. Bedi is saying,
We
And,
all
the
we all need that
yes.
tip.
no, this question is coming from Mr. Bedi, so I have to address that. And Pranav Nair is also asking about whether even guys could wear makeup, and maybe you can share some tips.
Yes,
Because this is
sure.
we have so many people Mr. Bedi is still questioning that can men also do makeup at 40.
Yes,
So,
I will tell you about that. So, the world we are in right now, or the thinking of people are like, "अरे makeup कर रहा है लड़की, लड़का होके makeup कर रहा है, ऐसे कौन करता है?" You see people getting hate for that. But people don't understand that makeup is not to look fair and not to look, extra. It is just, I have a favorite singer who said this line that makeup, should be accessories to complement what's beautiful about you. So you don't really, you don't have to think about, people say, of course guys can do makeup. There are the actors in Bollywood and Hollywood industries themselves do makeup. So I don't think it's a stupid, like a wrong thing, but there is a lot of stereotype created behind that. अरे लड़का होके makeup कर रहा है, ऐसे कौन करता है? Then they start tagging you certain things. And it's not like, not every guy who does makeup is gay, or every gay who doesn't do makeup is like, feminine. So I don't think that's like the wrong thinking about people, because of course guys can do makeup. I follow so many few people on Instagram too. They do makeup and they do it better than most of the girls, I feel. And still I see hate in their comments. Ladki hai kya kar raha hai ye wo. These same people will praise the good-looking skin of actors and TV actors, and they don't know that even they have wearing makeup on their face. It's normal. It is not something very wrong, and like people put it out there, kisa hai makeup kar raha hai. It's all just rubbish. I feel.
So basically, makeup is all about it's just a way to express yourself. It's just a way.
Yes, exactly.
To, like you said,
Exactly.
it is enhancing your features.
Beautiful
It's
about
just
it. Yes,
beautifying what's
exactly.
beautiful about you. So
Yeah,
I-
because
Sorry. Because my questions are popping in, so I don't want to miss out anything. So, sorry, you were saying something, Janice.
I was saying that people have this thinking that makeup कर रही है तो she's not confident in her skin. उसको उसका color fair करना है, वो मुंह छुपा रही है, natural नहीं लगना उसको. I think all of this is just stupid and makes no sense, because first of all, makeup is not to look fair. I don't know what's with fair looking people. I don't understand that concept for real. Makeup has so many shades of foundations. You don't have to look fair. I don't understand the concept of people do makeup to look fair. They just do it to enhance themselves, and because they like to do it. I have heard so many people telling me also, "Arey, why you need to do makeup? You're spoiling your skin. You're doing this." I said I like it, so I do it. It's simple. Okay, I enjoy doing it, and it enhances my beauty. So I like it. That's it.
Yeah. So I have a very specific question. Like there are two questions which Ashwini is asking. That she wants to know a DIY tip for stronger nails. And
For stronger nails.
And second question which she is asking is, she obviously everyone, especially Deepa will get this question that, a lot of girls have a lot of makeup kits or a makeup, things kept and because of lockdown, it's not being used much. So
Right.
Ashwini is asking, how do you preserve that entire unit which you have at your house, because you're not using so much makeup, because we are all home and all. So
Right.
how do you preserve that thing which you got at home? So these two questions
Okay, so yes. Okay, so for the nails, I feel that nowadays people are going in for extensions and longer
Yeah,
nails, but I don't think that's good because that actually
yeah,
spoils the growth of your nails. So I think that stops your
yeah,
nail growth completely. So it is better to avoid that and grow your nails naturally and apply nail polish when you have to, because if you keep applying nail polish, your nails tend to be weak and break soon. If you all just want like a shade, just have a clear nail polish application. That's it. You don't have to put colors again and again on always, because they just make your skin like nails sometimes yellow. So I don't think that's
okay,
good. So just avoid extensions and also use just nail polish when you have to. And now coming to the second part, what you do is if you're having now makeup brushes, people collect makeup brushes, and it is very essential to wash them even if you're not using it, because sometimes you tend like, today I feel like doing makeup, and you just go into with your brush, then you'll see that something, you're getting some irritation on your skin. It's always compulsory to wash your brushes first of all. And if you have like a lot of makeup spread away and you're not using it, just order like boxes and containers where you can preserve them and keep it, like cover it and just keep it in the side and just pick up the box and use it whenever you want, because that's what I do. I have like a separate box where I just preserve the makeup. And the other option is start doing makeup. If you're at home also, no problem, do it for fun. Nobody said it. Just do it because you want to do it.
I like the last part of it. Whether you're going out or not going out, at least you
Yeah.
make up for yourself. It's about feeling
Just do it
beautiful.
for
It's about-
yes,
yeah.
exactly. Just feeling good about yourself. Just do it. Even if nobody's gonna watch, just do it. Click some pictures and post it on Instagram, because that's what people are doing now. Self portraits and all at lockdown. So that's why you can use it on something.
Yeah, so you take your makeup's taken care of, your brushes are taken care of, and your end of the day still looking pretty as ever.
yes, true. So I have a very unique trend which is going in my chat. When I see the window, everyone is writing Janice OP. I don't know what does it mean, Janice, but continuously people are writing Janice OP, Janice OP, Janice OP. I don't know what does that. You will know it. We can talk about it later if you want. And then obviously, moving ahead with our question, a lot of people are doing a lot of virtual meetings these days. You also know, we have a lot of Zoom calls. All the meetings have gone digital, and be it, I don't want to want it to be a question only for girls, Deepa. You will agree with me that
Yes,
what
certainly.
what are the tips to join a virtual meeting, or what are your tips for looking good in a virtual meeting, on camera,
Okay.
when
Yes,
you are
yes.
meeting someone and when you are
Yeah, so
closing a deal? It's so important to look good.
Yes. So currently situation is like that only. Everything is happening virtually,
Yes,
on camera,
virtual.
on your phone. So again, I'll be repeating few things because first of all, you can moisturize your face and sit. Again, the BB cream thing can come in use here, because you have to urgently join a meeting and you don't know
Yeah.
what to do, and you just woke up from your sleep. Just wash your face nicely and just dab on some compact, and you're good to go. Actually, even one lipstick or an eyeliner is fine, but you don't have to sit. Usually makeup, the entire process takes around 45 minutes and we don't have that, so we have 10 minutes. The quick tips, just apply cream, apply compact, and you're good to go. That's what I would suggest. Because, and for guys also, even if you all want to put foundation, you all can put. That's not a problem. I think BB cream even guys use, so that's not only for girls. I have seen guys use BB cream as well. It just makes your complexion a bit sheer, and it gives you like a glow naturally with the cream. So even guys can use it. It's not like a product only girls have to use. Even guys can use that. And moisturizer. That's it. That's really about it, I think.
I think that's really nice,
And
Janice,
I have a
every
very
time-
interesting question. Sorry to cut you, Deepa. I have a very
No
interesting
problem.
question from a guy. His name is Roshan Fernandez. He is asking, what kind of fruit mask would you recommend, for someone who has an oily face?
Oily face.
That's a
I
very good
think
question.
Yeah, what I there are certain like I told you, like certain brands have come up with organic and everything. So
Yeah.
they have categories. They have categories of fruit masks basically. So you can go through it and you can check on like what is it affected for. There are certain masks. There is aloe vera, then there is like there's orange mask, or there is a lot of fruit based masks you can find this with these products. So y'all can go and read through it and see that if this fits your skin type, you can use it and see the difference with it. It's like even if you use face mask, you cannot just use it once and let it go. You have to do it like like once a week, or sometimes it depends on how much ever you get time. But you don't have to do it once and just let it go, because that won't give you the results you desire for.
Okay, I also feel that when we are talking about fruit mask, I feel it could be wrong that you can use the fruits directly on your face. I don't know. Maybe why to wait for a mask or a brand or something. If you have fruits, can I like directly put it on my face?
I have like a DIY mask idea you can do at home with a fruit.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
orange is right. The orange ka peel is there na. So what you have to
Yeah.
do is like take the peel off and keep it in the sun to dry. Okay, and once it's
Okay.
dried, like make a paste of it, like a powder, like grind it in the mixer, make a powder, and then take a bowl, add honey, add that powder and add a bit rose water, and just apply it on your face and wait for 20 minutes for it to dry, because that would also get rid of the unwanted tan you have on your face, and also it makes your skin very sheery and glowy. So that's a DIY thing you can do with the fruit peel at home.
Wow, we just got a very interesting tip, Deepa.
Yes.
That we can
And
take it
yeah.
at our home. I mean, like the things that are available at home.
Yeah,
That's
so
cool.
that's that got a thought into me, Janice. I've heard a lot of makeup experts, a lot of people who talk about beauty, saying that what can go in your mouth can go on your face. So whatever you can eat is also good for your skin on the outer
Yes.
side. Is that true? And what are the basic fruits or vegetables what you have at home, like an everyday thing that you can use for everyday beauty?
I think Janice
Yeah,
is
there's
good.
yeah.
Janice, can you hear us?
Can you hear us, Janice?
One.
I think there she is. Janice, can you hear us?
Janice, if you
I'm so
want, you
sorry, I'm
can
having
log
net. Yes, I was having a bit net situation.
No,
No
no
problem.
problem.
Now we
No, I can
Sorry.
hear y'all now. I can hear y'all now. So
Cool, cool.
yeah,
So
to
what are
answer
the
what
basic
Deepa said was
fruits,
you can,
vegetables? Yeah, what can you
yes.
use on your face to keep your face glowing, like an everyday thing that you can do, to take care of your skin?
Okay, so you know that even when we go to parlors, they use cucumbers to put on your eyes, like when you're having a facial mask. That is to basically
Right.
hydrate your eye area, and you all can even do that at home when you are doing a DIY mask in the house. Then I have seen people squish tomatoes and also use it on your face, to give it a glow. I think you can use that, and even if I have a lot of people who have aloe vera plants in their house. So aloe
Right.
vera is the best. It's the best. You can use anything, you can just use it freshly on your hair or on your face. Even makeup step has primer before makeup, so if you don't have primer, aloe vera is the best natural primer you can use. So I think according to me, those are the three things you can actually use at home and like everyday available things.
Nice. That's
Okay,
very
I have
nice.
one
We're getting
more.
some tips from there.
Yes, and I'm getting a lot of revelations in the comments. So, Mr. Vedi is saying that Janice also has a hidden talent. She is an extremely super Bollywood dancer, and from childhood she wanted to look good while performing on stage. So now we know where that makeup thing came from.
Yes,
Like
yes,
Amrita said
yes.
earlier, when you're dancing, it's important to look good as well while you're
Important,
performing.
exactly.
So
Yeah.
it's like a combination of both.
Yes. I just started learning makeup like 2 years back, to be precise, because before that I didn't really know what to do. Actually, I was into making those 15-second videos on apps, like acting video or certain dance videos like that. But
Yeah.
I'd always noticed that my face looked very dull sometimes because I should just get up and do like just get up and make videos like that. So I thought why not give makeup a try, because I've always been like skeptical about makeup because I didn't
I think Janice having
Yeah,
a little
there's
bit of
some
network
little
issue.
issues. We'll wait till she comes back.
Yeah, we can. But I think there's some really amazing thing,
Yeah,
Anupam,
also,
how
yes,
dance
yes.
and makeup, everything is all about expressions. It's all about bringing,
Yes.
those hidden expressions out.
Yes, yes, and obviously,
Yes, yes.
whether we were talking about dancing, we were talking about makeup. It's all a form of art, and it's something which I'm very interested in knowing that a lot of people are interested in these art forms, obviously as an art, and I love the way even Amrita or Janice are so passionate about that art. So that is something which is very
Yes.
incredible to talk about and to talk to them about it. So yes, I think Janice is still frozen.
Yes, yes. Can you hear me now?
Yes,
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 we can
yes,
hear
we
you.
can hear you. Sorry. Yeah,
Yes,
we were
yes.
talking.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
Questions,
yeah,
questions, lot of comments in the chat box. Anupam, if there are any more
Yes,
questions that we
yes.
can take.
Yes, so we Miss T.I. is asking, what is your favorite part in doing makeup? If you can answer that. What is your
Okay,
favorite
so
part?
my favorite part is doing the eye makeup because I like to experiment with new things. I still have to. I kept practicing till I got the perfect technique to do the eye makeup because there's a technique behind it. So I
Yeah.
kept practicing till I got it, and I think that's my favorite part, doing the eyes. And following that,
Okay.
I would even like to share some tips about eye makeup
Yes,
which
please, that
people
would be
don't know
lovely.
about.
Yes.
That
Yes,
would be
yes.
lovely. I think there's still network issue. So,
Yeah.
Janice, can you hear us?
Yeah, is it? Can you? Yes, yes, yes. I can hear you. I can
Yeah,
hear you.
your video is kind of buffering. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think there's some network issue. Yeah, so as I
Go
was
on,
You were
saying, I would
telling
like
us about tips for eye makeup.
yes,
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 please.
yes. So I have two tips to give basically. So first thing is, it is very important to. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
now we can.
Yeah, okay. So the basic important thing about eye before starting the eye makeup is you have to prime and conceal your eyelids, because for a smooth application of eyeliner or eyeshadow for that matter, you need like a smooth base for it. So priming and concealing is very important. And the second thing I would like to share is, when you're going in for a heavy eye look, like a smoky do your eye the rest of your face. So if you because if you are playing with colors and if you're right, so I think it is hello.
I think there is some.
Hello, can you hear me?
Now we can hear you. So, Janice, I'm just trying to kind of
Okay.
what we understood from the conversation is that before you do your eye makeup, it is very important to conceal, to prime your eyes, use primer on your eyes as well
Yes,
as
yes.
use concealer before you begin. And the second part you said
Yes,
was
yes.
that eye makeup needs to, we need to do our eye makeup before we do the rest of the face.
Yes, like when you're going in for bright colors or smokiness or black eyeshadow, because they have a lot of fallout, right? So you will spoil the rest of your face. So I think it is suggested that you do your eyes first in that manner, because that's all. If you're going for a normal brown eyeshadow, like general makeup, you don't really need to do it before. Only if you're going for a loud one, you need to do it before.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes.
We have a lot of your friends who are commenting. So everyone who is watching it for Janice, please give a high five in the comments so she knows that you all are here. So also we have a question here that Ashwini is asking, how can I easily apply liquid eyeliner?
Yes. Okay. So there is you have to be very patient and steady with your hand to do it, because I prefer only liquid eyeliners. Even I took time to ace that wing liner you say, because I have a particular eyeliner I've been using since I was in school, so I've got a hang of it. But important that when you do your eyeliner, you always start from the inner tip and then join it on your lid. And you have to be very steady with your hand, and don't worry, and don't let your hand shake, otherwise it will get messed up. So you have to be very steady, and you can take your own sweet time to apply eyeliner. That is fine. Just take in 15 or take in 20 minutes if you want, but don't mess it up by trying to do it fast.
Okay, I have a lot of comments coming in from Parmesh Shiv Prakash Nair, Miss T.I., Harshabat Kaur, Reiki, Pranav Nair. Everyone is sending you love. And thank you everyone for joining us on Sukoon and, obviously being a part of this wonderful conversation we had. Thank you so much, Janice, for sharing a lot of informative, I will say, tips for makeups, not only for girls, but also for guys. Right, Deepa?
Absolutely, Janice. It was such a pleasure having you here, and there's so much probably we did not know about makeup that you've shared with us, and I'm sure everybody's going to go back and try use makeup. And yes, Ashwini, this one's for you. Let's start doing makeup at home so that we don't need to preserve our makeup and we use it.
Yes, and thank you so much, Janice, for having this chat with us. And obviously a lot of people are here for you.
Thank you.
And we will connect and we'll get to know what does Janice OP means, but that will be a little later on. me and Deepa want to know what OP means.
Yeah. So, how inquisitive and curious I am. I really want to know that.
Yeah, I think Janice got disconnected. Wait, she's coming back.
Yes.
Sorry, yes. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Janice.
Thank you so much for having me.
Chat, and we'll see you very soon. And
yes.
Keep continuing with your passion. Keep continuing with your art, and I'm sure you will go a long way. And keep maintaining this spirit which you have. And I'm sure a lot of people are sending you love through. I can see all the love pouring in for you. So keep it up. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.